A bin in Axel is a virtual collection of clips with inpoints, outpoints and markers created by an authorized user. Access to bins is an Axel user permission. Users can create subclips or selections of media files. Subclips and bins don't actually exist on your file storage or take up space. They are pointers that reference your existing files and their paths. Once you have created subclips, you can open the bin and export the subclips as an XML file for the desired editor. For example, Apple's Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro. The editor can import the XML file into the Edit application, and it will link the original media files from the storage. Comments along with inpoints and outpoints will be imported into the editor and can be seen in the editor interface.